Hello guys, so these are the two packets you can see. This is the packet we will be making the head of the robot. So I'm just taking out all these pieces. The first thing we need to have a paper tape, because once we start pasting it with the Fevicol, we need this paper tape. So cut it and keep it a little away. Now we start with the first piece. So we just need to check that the hole for the ear is on the top, because you can see these pieces have the hole for the ear, and the another one is for the switch. So make sure when you are doing it, so put the Fevicol in the gap and then on the side, so that it will be like yeah, over here you can see the sides I'm placing it. Yeah, and now take a paper tape and stick it. The same way, repeat it to the other side and make sure the hole for the ears are on top of it. This is the base part where we will be connecting the neck, and then the final part. Yeah. So now place the paper tape on all sides so that it becomes uh, strong, and we will leave it for drying for at least 4 to 5 hours so that the whole thing gets dried up. And this is the neck part. Just we have to glue both of them together, put the Fevicol, yeah, and then place Fevicol in the whole part of it, and then just leave it around 4 to 5 to dry. Once the thing is dried up, now you can see like I'm getting a white color paint and I'm just painting it inside. So if I connect a light inside, then it can reflect the light easily. So now we have completed the head of the robot. Now we will move to the next part of it. So now we are getting the another packet in which we have the body part of it. So the first thing what we'll do, we'll try to remove the carbon which is like stick to the thing, and then this is the first part. We have to take the motors out and make sure the wires from the motor is towards the body of the leg. So by using this we will be connecting four motors to each of them, and you can just slightly tighten it up, don't tighten too much also. So now you can see I have made four of them ready. Yeah. Next, we will get this body part, and then we can take out the Arduino, and Arduino shield which is there. We will place it on these two holes. Now we can take out the bolts, and then we can place it as shown in the diagram. So first we will take three of these circles, and then we put the head, and then next three. In the same way for the tail side we will be doing it four and then three. Now we will be connecting the wires from the motors to the motor shield. We can use any of them, motor 1, motor 2, and in this way we are going to tighten it up, and both the motors are connected in parallel. And this is 18650 battery holder which we can use to stick. We can use a glue gun, or there is a hole for nut and bolt also. So right now I'm using a glue gun to stick it. So here we are going to connect the switch. So first we will solder the switch with the wires, and then from the top you can see the way I have inserted, and from here we can turn on and turn off the robot. Now I'll take the wire from the hole which is inside, and then since we have two wires, so one wire I'm going to connect it to the Arduino shield. So on the Arduino shield you can see where it is written positive and on the side it is written negative. So here the another red color wire we are going to solder it to the battery holder positive, and then we will find a negative wire which need to connect from the battery holder. Right now you can see, and then the another wire we are going to connect it to the Arduino shield. So in your case the wire may come directly, so you can connect it in this way. So the next thing, we need to get the batteries. So in this setup we are going to use 18650 batteries. Each of them is 3.7 volt batteries. So after placing both the batteries, now you can place the motor and then you can put the nut back and tighten it up.